Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to clear your cache in Shein. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to clear any cache in your Shein app, all you need to do is simply tap open your Shein app itself. So once you have opened your Shein app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on sign in button and get signed in into your account. So once you're now signed in, you need to tap on the me option in the bottom right hand side of the corner. Then you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the option called clear cache, which is under the blocked contact list. So once you tap on it and tap on the yes button, you can see that all your cache in your Shein app has been deleted and it has been 0B. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.